Welcome back to Muscle Car. Ford is bringing back an icon, the 2025 Ford Capri. This legendary nameplate, known for its European muscle car heritage, is making a return with a modern twist, blending classic styling with cutting-edge technology. The new Capri isn't just a nostalgia trip, it's a full-fledged modern performance car. Unlike the original, which was rear-wheel drive and packed with high-revving engines, the 2025 Capri takes a bold step into the future with an all-electric powertrain. Ford has built it on the same platform as the electric Explorer, meaning it's designed for efficiency, power, and a smooth driving experience. At first glance, the 2025 Capri pays tribute to its past with a sleek, coupe-like profile. The long hood, aggressive stance, and fastback-style rear instantly remind us of its classic roots, but everything is updated for today's standards. Expect a futuristic front end with sharp LED lighting, muscular lines, and aerodynamic efficiency. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, sits a powerful electric motor setup. While Ford hasn't released the exact performance specs, we can expect at least 300 to 400 horsepower, with a possible dual-motor AWD option for extra grip and acceleration. The battery range is expected to be competitive, likely around 300 miles on a full charge, making it a solid choice for both performance enthusiasts and daily drivers. Inside, the new Capri is packed with high-tech features. A massive touchscreen dominates the dashboard, running Ford's latest sync system, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. The digital cockpit is driver-focused, with customizable displays providing real-time performance data. Premium materials, comfortable seats, and a spacious cabin ensure that this isn't just a sports car, it's also a comfortable ride for long journeys. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Ford Capri is its driving dynamics. With an instant torque delivery from its electric motors, expect rapid acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, means better handling and stability around corners. Ford has also fine-tuned the suspension for a balance between sporty performance and everyday comfort. For those who love personalization, Ford will likely offer multiple trim levels, different wheel designs, and unique paint colors to make the Capri truly stand out. There's also speculation about a high-performance ST or RS version in the future, which could push power figures even higher and bring track-ready enhancements. The return of the Capri is part of Ford's strategy to revive classic names with a modern approach. While some purists might miss the roar of a gasoline engine, there's no denying that Ford is setting the stage for an exciting electric future. Pricing is expected to start around $50,000, making it competitive with other electric performance cars in the market. With its mix of heritage, performance, and modern tech, the 2025 Ford Capri is set to make a big impact. What do you think about Ford's decision to bring back the Capri as an electric car? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Stay tuned for more exciting car updates.